Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to dry your phone with silica gel. First, if your phone got wet, immediately power it off to prevent any short circuits. Next, carefully remove the SIM card, battery if it's removable, and any other accessories like cases or headphones. Finally, gently wipe away any visible water from the phone's exterior surfaces. Now, let's prepare your drying setup. You'll need a good amount of silica gel packets, enough to completely cover your phone. Make sure the gel is fresh and hasn't already absorbed a lot of moisture. A sealed container, like an airtight plastic box or a sturdy zip-top bag, will create the best environment for drying. It's time to start the drying. Place your phone inside the chosen container. Then, arrange the silica gel packets all around and on top of your phone, ensuring it's completely buried. This maximizes the gel's ability to draw out moisture. Once everything is inside, seal the container tightly to make it airtight. Patience is key for this step. Leave your phone in the sealed container with the silica gel for at least 24 to 48 hours. Do not be tempted to turn it on during this time. After the waiting period, carefully remove your phone and thoroughly check for any signs of remaining moisture before attempting to power it on.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.